Hello again. Well, after my cleaning out my little bit of nasties that I had in my little container there, let's pour, how about one of these? I'm gonna go for one of each of these. Yeah, why not? That's a nice day. Let's pour a couple. Okay, here we are. We're all warmed up. And first off is going to be a little tiny tiger. My most favorite, not so favorite ones to pour, but we'll see what we can do out of it. It's a winner! Okay, now we are going to, well, I guess I could show it a bit. Huh? Wanna see? Frosty on the back, but that's alright. Yep, there's a little feller right there. Look at them all polished up, he'll be beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna go on and do some dragons, little dragons. Okay, so here we go. Let's try this with one glove off. Okay. I really like it, and I'm set up to pour 3 of them, so we'll get a load in here. Get rid of that. Close up the furnace, hold it back. Put that plug in. Put the lid on. Save off all that beautiful heat. Let's have a look. Five, should be cool enough to handle. What do we got here? Look about right. Little baby dragons. I wasn't going to pour any of these because Backyard was doing it. And, well, I thought I'm going to ask him, and, you know, if it's okay. And he certainly didn't have any problem at all. Very grateful to him, and I'm going to pour a couple more, and then we'll switch over to the small lion head. See you in a while. Okay, folks, quiet down here somewhere. The last 2 pours of today will be these smaller lions. I really like them. In a second here, and we'll pour another one, but it's going to get loud again. Man, I just love doing this. If I could sit here all day long I would. It is just plain fun to melt metal, and especially precious metal. I just wish I had a 5-gallon bucket of gold placer sitting here beside me to work on. Oh, we have a beauty. Here you go, folks. One more lion. We just got kind of a neat look on them, these guys. Lots of fun. Nice to have you back. I always like to see you. Liking, commenting, and subscribing is pretty cool too. So, bye, folks.